One of the most common issues we get questions on is, how do I deal with unregistered users? Why do I have them? An unregistered user is simply a user that Webtel has picked up in the call records that hasn't been entered into the directory tree for Webtel. And if you click on the unregistered user in the preview pane, you can see in this case that it's extension 233. Dealing with unregistered users is very easy. We have to register them. Click on maintenance, click on directory. It will go to the directory allocation for your site. There we have it. Click on a department tab, it doesn't really matter which one, and if we now search for 233, it returns nil because 233 is not registered in the directory. Right, we need to enter the details for extension 233. 2 stages. This is most important. There are 2 stages to providing the information for unregistered users. The first stage is to add the user details. There they are, the user details. So let's add them and assign them to an extension, a department and a cost center if necessary, and none of the others, and then we click save. You will notice if we enter 233 as a search item, 233 is not there. Why? Because we've only done stage 1. We've only entered the user details. Now we have to assign the user, that known user, to extension 233. And how do we do that? Well, we have to find that user. So instead of entering 233, we know it's Siobhan. And there's Siobhan. But if we look at the extension details for that person, there are no extension details. So we now have to add the extension details for that person. And that is extension 233. And see, there it is an extension. But we also know Siobhan's email address. We'll put that in, and you'll notice we need to set it as email. We also know Siobhan has a PIN. Let's give her a PIN. Her PIN is, click on white space, there's it there. That's not an extension, it's a PIN. We have to make sure that the type of information matches the information provided. Now extension 233 will no longer be assigned. If we search 233, enter, there it is, it's linked to Siobhan. We need to do one more thing, and that is we need to backdate the call records. We need to re-identify the call records for this user, because Webtel works from this moment forward. So we now have to tell it, let's re-identify from the 1st of March to today, and then click OK.